start the chapter when Toto went with grandfather to Saharanpur. Lesson 2, Adventures of Toto. As you can see in the picture, Saharanpur station is shown and grandfather is talking with the ticket collector. And now see what happened next. When Toto was finally accepted by grandmother, he was given a comfortable home in the stable. Now grandmother, earlier though it was a secret, they didn't tell about the grandmother about this, the presence of Toto in the house. But now grandmother came to know, and there was a comfortable place for this animal Toto also in the stable, where he had for a companion the family donkey Nana. On the name of the family donkey was Nana. On Toto's first night in the stable, grandfather paid him a visit to see if he was comfortable. When Toto was here in the stable, grandfather went to see if he was okay, and to his surprise, he saw that the Nana was, without any reason, pulling at her halter and trying to keep her head as far as possible from a bundle of hay. Nana donkey was keeping away her head from the grass. Why she was doing so? Grandfather gave Nana a slap across her haunches and she jerked back, dragging Toto with her. Toto was on Nana and it was biting with its teeth the long ears of donkey. And Toto and Nana never became friends. So Toto the monkey and Nana the donkey, they were enemies. They were never they became friends. A great treat for Toto during cold winter evenings was, now there was always Toto in the home was doing mischievous deeds, and he feels very happy whenever he found a kettle boiling for water. He would cunningly test the temperature with his hand, then he put one leg, then another leg, then he himself sat down, and suddenly the water when comes up to his neck. Once what happened, when he is comfortable, he would take the soap in his hands or feet and rub himself. He start bathing like anything. And one day what happened, he was hurt badly, and because the water started boiling and Toto was about to be boiled now. A large kitchen kettle had been left on the fire to boil for tea, and Toto, he went inside, and then it was all hot, and you can very well imagine what happened. If there was a part of any brain specially devoted to mischief, that part was largely developed in Toto. Toto was naughty really. One day what happened, what he did, at lunchtime a large dish of pulao stood in the center of the dining table. They made prepared pulao and it was lying on the dining table. They entered in the room to found that Toto was stuffing plate at her. He was stuffing himself with the rice, and grandmother, she shouted. Toto threw the plate on the grandmother. Then aunts came, they rushed towards him. They also got a glass of water on their face, and when grandfather arrived, Toto picked up that plate in his hand and he exited through the window. And then they found him on the branches of the jackfruit tree, the dish still in his arms, and he remained there whole afternoon. He was eating everything whatever was there in his plate, and after finishing the plate, he threw down the plate, and hundred of pieces of the plates were there. So Toto was not at all a type of pet which could be kept home for a long. So now they thought that they could not keep this Toto at their home. So they felt that they have to sell this Toto back, and grandfather sold the Toto again back to the Tonga driver and sold to him for only 3 rupees. So that was a loss of 2 rupees. So this finished the chapter. You have seen how Toto was a naughty monkey, and now I want you to revise the chapter, read it, the glossary, the word meanings are given here. If you can see the turnstile, I was telling you, this is turnstile, the gate, and then the meanings are there. Now you can try to find out the answers for these questions, and I shall continue with you. Thank you and have a nice day.